Hello and welcome to my review of Hyatt Prarie Road. I just came up from Dead Indian down by Ashland, and now I'm on Hyatt Prarie and I'm heading toward Reed Springs. Let's take a look. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. Hyatt Prarie runs between Dead Indian Memorial Road and Green Springs Highway, and it goes past the Hyatt Prarie Recreational Area and the Hyatt Reservoir, and there's some campgrounds in both those places, I believe, if you're into that sort of thing. It's a pretty nice road, as you're going to see. Surface is very good. It's a little bit twisty and turny, but it's not corner-to-corner combat, nothing too hardcore. It's a great place to come, enjoy that nice day, and again, if you're in the area, it's a great way to connect to create a really, really good loop in the hills above Ashland, Oregon. It's not too bad. Not a bad little view. There is an area up ahead where you can actually, there's like a boat ramp and different things, so you could actually stop, get off your bike, take some pictures, whatever, pretty easily. Not a bad little view. Coming up here is kind of, again, a bit of a built-up area. I don't really know all the services. I didn't actually stop here. Looks like some kind of a place where you get campgrounds, sorted, or a boat ramp, or whatever you might do there. But there's definitely a lot of people around, so keep your eyes open for that. Came up kind of quickly. Right turn to continue on Hyatt. Turning left there, you go into the campground area. Nice shift. So, what are my thoughts on Hyatt Prarie? Well, it's a pretty nice road, as you can see. Road surface is generally really good. It's very pretty. It's not particularly challenging. Fast and flowing, pretty open, but definitely a lot of campers and campground kind of activity. I could see that being a bit busy at times. But as a connection road between Green Springs and Dead Indian, if you're creating like a big loop coming out of Ashland, going up one, coming through here, and going down the other, I would absolutely come and do this road again. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.